How to unban Omegle in iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unban Omegle in iPhone. Open up the web browser. Search here Omegle. Click to open its site. Then scroll down to Terms of Service. Click to open it. From pre-arbitration notification and good faith negotiation, you can see Omegle emails where you can send them an email with the subject line. Then scroll down to feedback and open up the feedback email. Send a mail to the feedback email. Write the subject as account banned. Then describe your problem. Hey, kindly unban my account please. I have been banned for no reason. And then click to send the feedback mail. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.